how to remove old devices from your Google account. So in order to do so, first of all, you would have to launch your Gmail account. Now, tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner. From here, go ahead and tap on Manage your Google account. Now, over here, tap on Security and sign in. From here, scroll down below and you'll see the category of your devices. Now, go ahead and tap on Manage all devices. Now, once you come here, you can see all your devices that you have used. Now, tap on any device you wish to remove. Now, from here, all you would have to do is tap on the option of Sign Out. Now, on this pop-up, tap on Sign Out again. With that, you will successfully be able to remove an old device from your Google account. Now tap on OK. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.